हेलो हाय मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, लेट्स टुडे स्टडी द लेफ्ट क्वेश्चंस ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 11.1 दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 to 10. ओके, सो लेट्स सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. ये भी बहुत सिंपल है. सबसे पहले तो फिगर को ऑब्जर्व करो कि दिस एंगल एंड दिस एंगल इज विच टाइप ऑफ एंगल. लेट्स रीड द क्वेश्चन. इन द गिवन फिगर पी आर इज ए स्ट्रेट लाइन एज यू कैन सी and the ray OQ stands on it. Okay, find the value of x. अब आपको x की वैल्यू निकालना है. Also find angle POQ and QOR. साथ में आपको मेजर ऑफ एंगल POQ का डिग्री कितना है वो भी फाइंड करना है, एंड मेजर ऑफ एंगल QOR. आप देख रहे हैं ना, ये साइन पहले एक लेक्चर में आपको मैंने बताया है. ये साइन देखो कहाँ से कहाँ तक जा रहा है, तो ये यहाँ से यहाँ जा रहा है, यानी POQ, और आप QOP भी बोल सकते हैं, बोथ आर सेम. अब ये एंगल देखो यहाँ से यहाँ, यानी कि ROQ. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द सेम क्वेश्चन वी हैव डन इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 फर्स्ट फिगर. सो हियर this angle and this angle forming a linear pair, so let's write POQ and QR is equal to 180 degree as they are linear pair angles. Put the value of POQ and QOR and just simplify. You know how to simplify this. It's an equation, simple equation like that. So you got the value of x as 34 degree. Okay, now after finding the value of x, he asked you also find angle POQ. Angle POQ क्या दिया है? एंगल POQ देखेंगे हम फिगर में 2x minus 30 डिग्री. 2x minus 30 डिग्री. अब जहाँ भी x है, in place of x you have to write the value of x. x is what now? 34 डिग्री. पहले हमारे पास x नहीं था, अब x कितना है? 34 डिग्री. So 2 into 34, आपको पता है हाउ टू सिंप्लीफाई, -30 डिग्री. अदर्स रिमेन एज इट इज. अब मल्टीप्लाई करो, 2 4 ज़ा 8, 2 3 ज़ा 6, -30 डिग्री. अब कितना आएगा? 68 में से अगर हमने 30 माइनस किया है तो 8 - 0 8, 6 - 3 3, दैट इज 38 डिग्री. गेटिंग? सो एंगल POQ इज वॉट? 38 डिग्री. ये 38 डिग्री है. Now similarly in the same way you are going to find now angle QOR. So write down angle QOR. How much given? 3x plus 40. So let's write 3x plus 40 degree first. अब x की वैल्यू अपने पास है, कितनी है? Here what is the sign? Multiplication. x is what? 34. यहाँ से आया ये x, ठीक है, is equal plus 40 degree. Now simplify. 102 plus 40 degree. और अब इसको ऐड करेंगे हम, और हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? 142 डिग्री. ओके, 102 plus 40 is what? 142 degree is the answer. So understood this sum? Okay, now let's move to the next question. Now see question number 7. In the given figure xy is a straight line. Let's see the figure. Xy is a straight line. Yes, OP and OQ stand on the line xy. See, OP and OQ are the lines which are standing on the line xy. Yes. Now you have to write all the pairs of adjacent angles. What type of angles you have to write? Adjacent angles and all the linear pair of angles. Okay, so let's see first adjacent angle. You know what it mean by adjacent angles? Adjacent angle में क्या होता था कि one arm vertex is common, दो एंगल बनते थे. One arm is common to the on the opposite side of the other two arms. This one arm देखो, OP is common. OP is the common arm for angle XOP and for angle POQ. Let's recall the adjacent angles. What it mean by adjacent angles? If two angles have a common arm, a common vertex, and their other arms lie on the opposite side of the common arm. Okay, so then the angles are called adjacent angles. So let's see in the question now. See here, these are the pairs of adjacent angles. What I have written, XOP and POQ. You see XOP and POQ. OP is the common arm, okay, which are opposite to this OX and OQ, okay, and vertex is same. In the same way, now POQ and QOY, again what was a common arm, a common vertex, and their other arms lie on the opposite side of the common arm. See, this is the common arm and these two arms are lying on the opposite side of this common arm. So POQ and QOY. Also see XOP and POY. See, now what I am taking XOP and POY, this complete angle. देखो चिल्ड्रन, ये कंप्लीट एंगल भी एक एंगल का नाम है. एक ही फिगर में बहुत सारे एंगल्स बन रहे हैं. अब हमने जो एंगल लिया है उसका नाम प्रॉपरली कंसीडर करेंगे. क्या है? XOP लिया है और POY. अब आपको सिर्फ XOP और POY ही देखना है. इसमें देखिए आप, OP इज द कॉमन आर्म और OX एंड OY आर लाइंग ऑन द अदर साइड ऑफ द कॉमन आर्म. तो ऐसा है सेम. एक और पेयर कौन सी बन रही है? XOQ एंड QOY. अब सेकेंड टाइम में क्या लिया गया है? XOQ. ठीक है, ये बड़ा वाला एंगल. लेट मी शो बाय डबल लाइन. दिस वन एंड now see XOQ, this one, XOQ and QOY. Okay, so these all are forming adjacent angles. Now let's write all the linear pair of angles. So let's write linear pair angles. Okay, now you know linear pair angle. Okay, say straight line and one standing line. So here you see XOP plus POY. देखो ये XOP एक एंगल लिया हमने और फिर ये POY, ये कंप्लीट एंगल. ओके, एंगल XOP प्लस, और you can put here comma angle POY. This is one pair. Okay, again you can see XOQ. अब हमने एंगल ये वाला लिया XOQ. अब XOQ के बाद में ये एक एंगल है जो स्ट्रेट लाइन से बन रहा है यहाँ पर. तो XOQ और दूसरा है QOY. These are forming a linear pair angle. Okay, now let's move to question number 8. Now children, let's see question number 8. What is the question? In the given figure, OP and OQ are opposite rays. As you can see here, this OP and OQ are the opposite rays and OR stands on PQ. As you can see, this is OR which is standing on PQ. Now children, if y equal to 73, you have to find the value of x, and if x is equal to 14, you have to find the value of y. So let's see the first one. Now children, see angle POR and angle POQ. As you can see here also one angle is there. So this both the angles are forming a linear pair, this angle and this angle. So I already told you, first you will observe the angles carefully. So we will write angle POR plus QOR is equal to 180 and give the reason, that is they are what? Linear pair angle. Now put the value of POR. What is the measure of POR given here? As you can see in the figure, 5x. So write here 5x. Then QOR is what given? 2y minus 16. So let's write that 2y minus 16. Okay, now is equal to what? 180. Now children, see if y is equal to 73 given, then you have to find the value of x. So in place of y, as you can see 2y is there. So you have to put the value of y and you will simplify. So here 5x as it is plus 2y is there. So in place of y you have to put what? 73. So here is 73 minus 16 is equal to 180. Now 5x as it is, 2 into 73 is what? 146 minus 16 is equal to 180. नाउ सिंप्लीफाई चिल्ड्रन, ये 5x ऐसा ही रहेगा, 146 में से 16 माइनस किए तो 130 आ गया. अदर्स रिमेन एज इट इज. नाउ यू नो दिस इज सिंपल इक्वेशन. पुट वेरिएबल ऑन वन साइड, नंबर्स ऑन अदर साइड एंड सिंप्लीफाई. तो ये x इज इक्वल 5 इज इक्वल टू 50 है, तो x इज इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा? 50/5. और 50/5 जब हम कैंसिल करेंगे, सो व्हाट यू विल गेट आंसर एज x इज इक्वल टू 10 is the answer. Okay, now let's move to second one. Now see here again, angle POR and ROQ. You can see they are linear pair angles, so you will write linear pair angle, and you know what is the property of linear pair angle, that these two angles measure, sum of these two measure is equal to 180. Now POR, according to the figure, in the figure you see POR what given as 5x, so here is 5x. QOR what given? 2y minus 16, so here is 2y minus 16 is equal to 180. Now x is equal to 14 you have to use. So let's write, if x is equal to 14, this is given, then what happens? इसका मतलब ये है कि जहाँ पर x है वहाँ पर आपको 14 रखना है. तो 5 into 14 plus 2y minus 16 as it is, अदर्स टर्म्स as it is. 14 5 जा क्या होता है? 70. और उसके बाद देखिए 70 minus 16 आप सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं. 70 में से 16 माइनस किए तो 54 आ गया. सो 2y plus 54 is equal to 180 and 2y is equal to 126 and y is equal to 126 by 2. And now children you see y is equal to 126 by 2. जब हम इसको कैंसिल करेंगे तो y is equal to क्या आंसर मिलेगा? y is equal to 63. y equal to what? 63. Okay. Now let's move to new question. Now let's see children, question number 9. Very simple. From the adjacent figure find the value of x, y, z. As you can see here one figure is given, and here there is x, there is y, and there is z also, and you have given this angle as 28. Okay, now children you can see, very simple, it is your choice. I told you, you can use linear pair also and vertically opposite angle also. As you can see, this z, this 28 and this z, they both are vertically opposite angle. So if this is 28, so angle z will be also 28. So you will write that angle z is equal to 28, and the reason is what? Vertically opposite angle. Okay. Now see. Now children, x and x plus 28, you can see this is a straight line and this is a standing line on it. It means they are forming a linear pair. So now you will take x plus 28 is equal to 180, and the reason is what? Linear pair angle. And now you know x is equal to what? 180 minus 28 means numbers you will transpose, and you will get the value of x as 152. Okay. Now children see, now here this y and x, they both are forming vertically opposite angle. They are also, so angle x is equal to y is equal to 152, and the reason is what? Vertically opposite angle. So you know these and these are vertically opposite angle. Whatever the measure of x, that will be the measure of y. So as we have got x is equal to 152, so your y will also be 152. देखो बेटा, मैंने y और x वर्टिकली अपोजिट लिया है. यू कैन टेक, इट इज़ योर चॉइस. आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू. ये देखो, ये और ये लीनियर पेयर बन रहा है. सो समवन कैन टेक x प्लस z इज इक्वल टू 180 ऑल्सो. ओके. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस एक्सरसाइज, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Now see what is the question. There is a triangle PQR. As you can see here, one triangle is. Now see angle ARB and BRQ, they are forming linear pair. You see here in this way you are getting, here is ARB and here is BRQ. So this is which type of angles? Linear pair angles. So now we put the value of ARB. As ARB we have 62, so we put here 62, BRQ is equal to 180, and now BRQ here, and transpose the numbers on one side, you know very well, and when you subtract, answer will be 118. So angle PRQ is 62 and BRQ is equal to 118. So children, I hope you understood all the examples whatever we have studied today. So in the next lecture we are going to start the new exercise, that is 11.2, and before that we will study pairs of lines, means intersecting lines, what is meant by transversal line, and what are the angles formed by a transversal with two lines. तो मैं होप करती हूँ कि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. सो कीप वॉचिंग एंड डू मोर प्रैक्टिस. हैव अ नाइस डे. थैंक यू. गुड बाय.